Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to unlock all characters in Risk of Rain 2. So this will be a complete guide, so make sure you watch till the end. The first one is a commando, right? Unlocked by default. When you just start the game, you will get this unlocked. The starting characters offering a balanced skill set suitable for beginners. Hunters complete the warrior challenge by reaching and completing the third teleporter event without dying. Right, playing in multiplayer can help you to reduce the difficulty. This is just a tip though. The third character is multi, that is MUL-T. You can unlock this by completing the game verified achievement by activating the first teleporter and defeating the boss 5 times. Now here a tip here. So if you want to unlock this, it's really easy thing to do. So you can just, this can be achieved through a multiple runs or by farming the first stage. Engineer is regarding collect 11 lunar coins and use them at the nude altar to unlock her from her eyes prison, right? And mercenaries can be also be unlocked. Complete all the game environment in a single run and then sacrifice yourself as a obelisk then appears afterwards, right? Rex, you can unlock Rex by defeat the alloy warship unite at Siren's call after the destroying several egg nests to summon it. Captain is really interesting. Complete the game by defeating Mithrix, the final boss, which is a part of Washed Away challenge, and Void Faint, that is a DLC character. Specific challenge tied to the gameplay updates. Player should check current guides for the details. And Railgunner is also DLC character. You can unlock automatically. It get automatically unlock upon purchasing the Survivor of the Void DLC. So this is how you can do it, and this is the all characters. And if I miss, then surely in this card article you will able to see this, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe.